leaders, can you believe it? We're in week 4, and that means it's time for our final exam. I am so impressed with the work that you've done throughout our 4 weeks together. Grades will be continuously updated throughout this week and the next, and I'm looking forward to seeing the great work that you do on your final exam. Remember that the final exam is aligned with the summer 4-week period, which means it will be available and due on the same day, July 27th. You may use your books, you may use your notes, but you may not use the assistance of others. That is considered cheating, but I know that's not something that I have to worry about. So it's been a wonderful 4 weeks with you all. Hopefully I may see some of you again in the fall and perhaps on campus for future classes. And I have a final farewell from my special summer helpers. They have a message to deliver to you as you take your final exams.
Good luck on your final exams. Bye. Bye. Bye.